in this video today, I will take you behind the scenes of how I shoot my content. Hello guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. I'm Divyanshi. I make videos around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Today I'm actually shooting a UGC video. ये UGC वीडियोज़ are यूज़र जनरेटेड वीडियोज़. ये काफ़ी फॉर्मेट ट्रेंड कर रहा है बिकॉज इट्स वर्किंग रियली वेल फॉर द ब्रांड्स, क्योंकि बहुत ही ऑर्गेनिक टाइप का कंटेंट होता है एंड बहुत हाई लेवल प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता है एंड बहुत ही यूज़र फ्रेंडली होता है. इट लुक्स लाइक आई एम यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट. दीज आर द वीडियोज़ दैट आई डू नॉट हैव टू पोस्ट ऑन माई पेज. सो आई एम क्रिएटिंग दिस कॉन्टेंट exclusively for this brand and they are giving me X amount of money. So I'm shooting for a brand, Pink Polka. This is the brand and they have multiple products like a cleavage bra, shapewear shorts, it's breast cups. अब मैं स्क्रिप्ट क्या ही दिखाऊँ. सो आई जस्ट फॉलो दिस स्क्रिप्ट बिकॉज ये ऐसी डिज़ाइन करी होती है दैट यू नो इट फिट्स इन बिटवीन 35 to 40 seconds max. So the timeline is also very very important. So I'll just quickly follow the script and yeah, let's start shooting. So my setup is ready. This is my POV. I'm shooting it on a front cam. This is my face spotlight. Yeah. This is a ring light. I need that soft light. And this is again a face spotlight. Sometimes I also change colors of this if I want like a red, blue, pink backdrop or like a little bit of mood lighting. And this is going to be the background of my shoot. And that's my camera setting. It's cinematic, 4K, 30 frames per second. And 4K में what I do is cinematic में उसका exposure मैं कभी कभी 0.3 बढ़ा लेती हूँ, कभी 0.7. तो it gives your face a really nice reflection. ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मैं ये व्लॉग करने में आधा थकने वाली हूँ बिकॉज माई एनर्जी लेवल्स दीज डेज आर रियली बैड. तो आई विल सी यू वंस एवरीथिंग इज़ डन. I still sometimes can't believe that this is my job. This is how I make my money. Like, look at it. Hello people, it's the very next day. Yesterday I was so tired. By the end of shooting 3 videos, पूरी हालत टाइट हो जाती है. आई एम हेडेड टू महालक्ष्मी फॉर अ jewelry brand launch event. They'll be having थोड़ा activity also. I hope I'm able to cover that in this vlog. And उसके बाद I have to rush to the mall for sourcing. I'm still not sure. Like I was on my way and this brand calls me. They're like, okay, you have to shoot this video tomorrow. Are you available? I'm like, yes, of course I'm available. Then they were like, you have to do the sourcing today. I'm like, okay, more information please. They're like you have to go to the store today, you have to do the sourcing everything. तो मैंने 2 मिनट कॉन्टेम्पलेट किया. मैंने कहा यार मना कर देती हूँ, इतना लास्ट मिनट है, अर्जेंट है, तो मना कर देता है. बट आई वाज लाइक यार कल मैं कोई ऐसा काम तो कर नहीं रही हूँ एंड वाई से नो टू मनी. सो आई वाज लाइक यस आई एम गोना डू इट. एंड जो मॉल है वो मेरे रास्ते में ही है, सो आई विल प्रॉब्ली डू दैट बट दे स्टिल हैव टू गिव मी अ कन्फर्मेशन. दिस
check whether you're a cool tone with a warm tone. So let's just keep this card here. Yeah. So can you see all of this kind of became slightly more tanner and darker?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's check the warm tone now. Oh my God. See the difference?
Yeah. It's brighten up.
Really brighten.
Yeah.
So I'll just do this again for you.
Okay.
Check this.
Yeah.
It's dulling not completely, whereas this is giving a nice light.
Right.
Yeah. See the warm tone. Let's check in this as well. Okay. Now see this cool red, again dulling you out. Versus neutral. And
So I'm a
working
warm.
best.
Yeah, for the foundations also I go for warm undertones.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll hold it. Thank you.
Now let's check. Now this is too deep for you.
But I kind of like
Such
it.
colours?
But I kind of like
What
it.
is happening? See this
Yeah.
shadows, unnecessary lot of grayness, you know.
It added
patchy.
a lot of contrast.
A lot of contrast and very patchy. Like this is different, this is different, and here is a little darkening effect. So this I don't recommend.
Yeah.
This is
Brighten
nice.
up.
This is brightening up. This is not bad.
This is also
This
good.
is good.
This is also good.
This is good. And how about this?
This is also dulling it a bit, but
I would say go for this. This is giving you a nice brightness, and it's not as, since you like earthy colors,
Yeah.
it has earthiness as well. It's not very bright. It has earthy tones. It's got medium brightness, as
Yeah.
you can see. Yeah, I say go for
but don't you think all the colors right here are so like bright?
bright, but that's because you're not used to wearing, you're used to wearing this palette.
Yeah.
That's your comfort level. But you see now your skin over here. We have to see where the skin is the hero,
Yeah.
right? So here your skin is the winner. So why do you want to dull yourself when you can look better? See this versus this.
Right. I wish I had done this before my wedding. Yeah.
Bright stuff. Can you
Yeah.
just move your head a bit and
Yeah, sure.
put behind your
yeah.
ears? You recently got married.
Yeah. So I've been given a card that has so many different shades that suit me. Yeah, you were saying?
Yeah, I said I'll be checking the metals also for you.
Okay.
What metals you can wear.
Wow. I like it.
You are like a full autumn person.
Yeah.
Okay, but this versus this. The pure gold looks better. Yeah,
I'm sure you can tell
and
better.
rose gold as
Yeah.
well. So actually, you should be avoiding the antique gold.
But you know, whenever, like for my, even for my wedding and
Temple
everything,
jewelry?
so the jewelry that whenever there was rose gold, I used to dislike rose gold on my skin.
Used to
Dislike.
no rose gold warm skin because it's going to add a nice peach
Yeah.
to your complexion. So you must try rose gold. Pure gold versus antique. I know you like everything matte.
Yeah.
Yeah, but try to wear more of gold. This
Okay.
is not bad on you actually,
Okay.
but avoid like. It's your third metal. Gold, rose gold and bronze sometimes.
Okay.
You like?
I like it. I like it. I like it.
No. See, it's adding too much of grey, too
Grey.
much of blackness in your face. Still is fine.
Right. So I think the brighter palette of colors suit my
Yes, yes. Even your lipstick, you're wearing a matte one.
Yeah.
So you made your complexion fully one shade matte, like
Yeah.
tan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any reason?
That's just the vibe. I've been watching a series.
Okay.
And yeah,
Which series?
Euphoria. So,
Okay.
so the main character.
The Latino,
Yeah.
Latino kind of.
Yeah.
look.
So
Okay,
for
understood.
some time, I just imitate the main character. Maddie. Yeah.
She got it.
Thank you.
You can make any shape, like these are Pinterest inspo.
Okay.
You can make any of these and first needle the dough, then do it with the rolling pin. Whichever shape you can want, you can mold it. We have rosemaries which you can emboss on it, and we have your initials and names also you can emboss on it.
Oh, lovely.
Except for smile though. Beak निकालूं उसके और दूसरी लगा.
Can you just do it here?
Yeah, I think that's better.
Yeah. I'll remove my rings. I feel like you guys have understood how to do it.
It's very easy to shape it into whatever you feel like.
Yeah. I'm 10 minutes into it and I know I'm really bad at it.
It's okay. Just make it into a ball first and then roll it out.
No inspiration was taken from the Pinterest. I just got inspired by the nature and made these. Hello. I was about to leave from the event. In the meanwhile, the brand messaged me that the collaboration is confirmed and you have to now go for sourcing. So I have literally rushed to the mall and now I'm actually selecting the outfits and then I'll head back home. I'm currently so tired कि यहाँ जहाँ jeans रखी हुई है ना, मैं यहीं पे बैठ गई हूँ. I'm like अभी नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे. Now I have actually tried on the outfits and I've shared it to the brand for approval. Once the brand has approved the looks, that's when I will go ahead. Having a really yum burrito bowl. It's from May's Mexican Kitchen. I've heard a lot about this place. And also lately I've been really liking kombuchas. This one's a lemon and ginger kombucha. Chalo.
I'm a good